Okay, let's make a test to learn French. You start from 0. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT and let's say make 10 sentences in French very easy. Okay. Now make a test in which the user must guess the verb and make it in HTML and JavaScript. Where is the verb? Put an input box, a list box with 4 choices, or which one is right. Make 10 questions like the one you just wrote. Use a nice graphic with Bootstrap. You are a front-end coder expert in JavaScript. You use vanilla JavaScript. Put a, how you call it, a progress bar that tells you, that shows you how many questions are left, and make visible one question at a time. Show the results at the end, showing also the wrong answer, so the question the user failed, showing the correct answer. Use again. If the score is less than 6. If it's higher than 6, show a button to go to the next level. Make sentences for a total of 10. Oh, that's 3 levels. 2 levels. Okay. Don't want to make it too complicated because it could get stuck something. Maybe we will see if we are we like what we had, and then maybe we will go on. So he's making 2 separate okay, good. He's making a script.js with the sentences and with the with all the JS code. So he practically is giving here the basic HTML, and let me copy it and start to put into test French test. Let's call it like this. Let's do a first version. Let's do this one like index. Let's get back to, so it maybe it ended. So you see, okay, not crazy, etc., etc. The HTML scripture. It has 2 levels. I think you can add more, just adding other lists here of this thing that you see. You get the sentence, the option, the answer, the right answer, etc. How do you call this one? Script.js, and let's create it. What is it? Script.js. Okay, let's go back to the index. Let's run into the browser. Open in the browser. Okay, question 1. J'aime. It doesn't substitute the verb, but it substituted the articles. Okay, it's le chocolat. Elle a un chat. Nous allons, I think, allons l'école. Il font I don't know. To us, il jouait football. J'ai lu un livre. Elle danse très bien. Vous mangez. Vous mangez une pomme. Nous mangeons. Okay, how much is this next level? Because I made, it doesn't tell me how much. I get to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just okay, next level. I don't know. Page. Elle. Nous gravissons les montagnes. Il voyage. No. Oh, okay. To chez cours. Vous êtes. Non, vous êtes. Il va. Nous faisons. Elle L in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so okay, let's try another thing. ChatGPT, let's see. Add a voice that reads the question and reads also the answer where the user choose. So it can be much more interesting. So integrated is included speech, the question and the answer. I don't know, that voice and synthesis. Okay, I agree with that. I don't know if you don't have to modify the HTML. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, let's go into the question. Shows the question. And I think yes. I don't think it needs the. I don't think it needs the HTML maybe to be changed. So while he's doing this, I want to go back in the XM HTML. I want to go make it 02 folder here and save the same HTML and get into them. Okay, and yeah, speech etc. He's explaining how it works, the speech synthesis, but we just want to make this test. Okay, script. For the moment, we don't want to learn about how to do it, but just do it. Script.js. Let's go back to the new version here. Open the browser. Let's see. I don't see anything. Okay, now he's starting. The first one doesn't start for some reason. L A nous allons so you can hear the pronunciation. I don't know if you hear it because I think so. I don't know. I'm hearing it, by the way, because I'm recording it in some way. I don't know if it gets the audio. Il ils et je. Vous mangez. Manger. Nous aimons la musique. Okay, so now I just made a couple of errors, so I can go. So it works. I hope you like this thing. I think it's quite enough now. And so this is how you can make a, let's see, I don't know, we could try to make it in with Pygame, with Python, or with, but I don't know for the voice if it's capable to do it. Or we can use Tkinter, or we can use Pygame. I don't know. Make it in Python. Just want to make this little try. I is using Flask. Okay, I get it. MPyTTS. Okay. Let's see if it's easier. Because he is using this framework, Flask, always to use browsers, so it would be quite the same as the other one. This is okay. We get to figure out where to put the. Let me see the structure here. Create a Flask app. Create a version. Basic will use HTML and JavaScript and front end JavaScript and speech synthesis. Okay. We can the application JavaScript for real-time speech on the server, not directly in the browser. Okay. Let's continue to generate. As you can see, he's finding some difficulties because now the chat is becoming too long, a little bit too long. Okay, so we get to save the Python script as app.py and save the HTML in a templates folder as HTML, and then run the executing script. Okay, let's just do it and try it just to see if it works. Let's copy this code, let's run it in here and do a new folder here, 01 Flask. Let's call it like this, and I wanna this one, need to call it this one app.py, and then I'm gonna create another templates folder where you get to put the index. Okay, where you get to put the index HTML file. Let's copy the code and save it into the templates, calling it index.html. Okay, now you don't have to run this, but you have to go into the app.py. So you run this, and now do the app.py or Python app.py. Let's run it. If everything works, it's cool. You have to go into the browser, copy this thing here, running into the HTTPS 127, etc. Go into a browser, open a schedule here, and run this. You see here you got it, and it's just the same. J'aime le chocolat. Let's see if we get the voice. Okay, it works just as the other one. L. Okay, très bien. So it works also with Flask if you prefer, and now you can add other levels, I think here, and I think it could work right. Let's see if I just copy this and I tell to ChatGPT to make another list structured like this with new sentences. Let me copy the things before. Okay, let's see if it does the level 3. So we want to see if it can go on and add this other one. Okay, let's copy just this, go into this, and I want to just place it, comma here, place it here like level 3, so that you can see that you can add the things you do like this. Okay, let's see if maybe we got this still running. Let's see if it works or get this. Let's set from the beginning. Okay, Okay, nous allons elle on. You see here, now we are the second level, and now we can go to the next level, that is the third level. So as you add, okay, let's just cool. Okay, we don't go till the end because there are 3 levels, and so it will stop when we get to the level. So you see that you can add. You just don't have to redo all the code, etc. You just have to add your sentences here. You can do it also by hand, just adding in this way, or you can make the ChatGPT do it for you. And another thing you can do, you can adjust making the score, something like that, making visible the number of right answers that you have achieved, and so on. So hope you liked this video, and like them and subscribe if you also to tell me that you like this one, so that I can do other videos like this. Thank you. See you soon.